How to clear Safari cache. First step is to open settings, then scroll down and search for Safari. As soon as you find it, tap on it. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Advanced. Now you want to tap on Website Data. After you do that, you'll reach this page where all of the data of the Safari has been stored. So you can slide to the left side and then tap on Delete. Doing it again, the thing that you want to delete, just swipe left side and then tap on Delete. If you want to delete all of them, tap on Remove All Website Data, then tap on Remove. This is how you can clear Safari cache. The other thing is you want to go back, then you want to scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Then you want to tap on Clear History and Data, then you want to tap on Close Tabs. And that is how you can clear Safari cache. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.